Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off liquid glass on any iPhone. Now to turn off the liquid glass effect on your iPhone, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then go to accessibility. From here, just tap on display and text size. Now from here, you will find the option of reduce transparency. Just enable this toggle and you will disable the liquid glass effect on your iPhone. Just like that. Now, if you have enabled the liquid glass effect on your app icons, and if you want to disable the liquid glass effect on your app icons, just tap and hold on the empty space on your iPhone, then tap on edit. Now from here, just select customize. Now instead of clear, just select default. Just tap on the screen to save. And this is how you can turn off liquid glass on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.